Welcome to the second of our interviews with suppliers who are leading the way in developing PPE for women. Today I'm joined by my colleague Deborah from Lyreco Sweden, and today's topic will also be footwear. And we're delighted to be hosting Andy Kennigan, Field Sales Manager at Rockfall. Hi Andy.
Hello there.
Hi. Rockfall is another innovative supplier with many years of expertise who provides an amazing range of safety footwear for women. Andy, can you give us an overview of Rockfall background and also your story in the industry?
Yeah, so Rockfall are a UK-based family-run business that have been manufacturing safety footwear for over 25 years. We currently have over 85 styles in our range, suitable for a diverse range of sectors, with even more new and exciting products being introduced in 2024. I've worked at Rockfall since 2021, supporting Lyreco sales teams and customers, and have worked in the PPE industry personally since 2010. And in my years working in the safety industry, I found that safety footwear is the most emotive piece of PPE equipment. And it is vital that wearers are not only safe, but have correctly fitted and comfortable footwear.
Yeah, that is important. But what type of industries have you been focusing on, and what specific challenges have you seen women having within these industries?
So Rockfall have always been very strong in the constructive and manufacturing sectors. However, with the range of products we now have available, we are now able to offer appropriate footwear to a wide range of sectors. Some examples include the automotive industry, logistics and transport, facility management and healthcare. Over the years, the challenge for women has always been the lack of correctly fitted PPE available in the market, from footwear to workwear. The issue has always been in years gone by that there's only a handful of brands able to offer correctly fitted women's safety footwear. However, Rockfall have had their range available since 2007.
That's great. And what motivated you to create a female range of footwear? Was there a market or specific request for existing customer?
Yeah, so with an ever-increasing workforce of women requiring PPE, and whilst recognising that offering just a smaller size and a unisex product isn't always fit for purpose either, Rockfall have developed and increased a range of footwear specifically designed for women, with styles carefully constructed and a female fitting last. So this has always enabled us to offer a range of affordable styles to females without compromising on safety or quality. It is important to offer this to ensure all wearers, regardless of gender, are kitted out in the correctly fitted footwear. The HSE are very keen on slips, trips and falls, and wearing ill-fitting products can contribute to potential accidents in the workplace.
Definitely. And has your approach to designing PPE for women evolved over these years? Do you collect feedback from the end users and customers?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've listened to feedback from end users, and the range in our see is based on comments provided to us by the most important people in this process, the wearer. We will always encourage thoughts from individuals to enable us to amend styles where necessary.
Yeah, that's great. And are there any regulatory challenges when manufacturing female footwear?
Yeah, so the initial challenge when developing any type of footwear is ensuring you have the correct fitting last, which gives the overall shape of the footwear. It was important to make sure that the female last we used to develop our female range was to the correct sizing, as we didn't just want to use a smaller size unisex off-the-shelf last. So the other challenge is making sure cliche female colours such as pink don't only feature on the styles, with them being a women's fit. We like to make sure that uniform colours are used, same as what we would use in our male styles. There's an expression said within the PP industry, don't just pink and shrink it, and we guarantee not to do this.
That's great. Could you share some significant milestones in this journey?
Yeah, so some significant milestones would include the expansion of our female range, which is currently 12 styles, and that's due to increase even further in 2024. There's also the introduction of more specialist styles, such as our women's fit metatarsal boot and our recently developed high leg boa lacing system women's boot that will also be available in a wider range, from size range from 2 to 9, and that's going to be available early next year.
And could you share some examples of feedback or requests from your customers that influence your product designs?
Yeah, so we introduced our RF 3300 Iris boot, which is now available in the Lyreco range. We've introduced that earlier this year based on feedback from customers. So the Iris boot comes with internal metatarsal protection and has been specifically designed on a lady's last. So our existing unisex Met boots are available in size 3, but the feedback we were receiving was the range was still too wide for certain women. So taking the design of our best-selling Onyx boot, we spoke to our factories and we were able to design, manufacture and successfully passed the appropriate test methods and introduced the Iris boot, which is available in sizes 3 to 8.
It's incredible how you utilize the feedback that you get to improve the product quality. But what should we consider when purchasing safety footwear for women? What is the difference to the standard male range?
Yeah, so as mentioned, ladies' footwear is constructed on a lady's last, offering styles that are designed better for the shape of a female foot. And when I conduct site visits, we ensure that all bases are covered with the full workforce, and that includes any female workers. Not every female will require narrower fitting, depending on the shape of the feet, but it's important that it's offered at the very least.
Yes, I think it's incredibly important that they have a choice. And what do you do to ensure that PPE you provide is both functional and comfortable for female workers?
So there's no compromise on safety specifications when introducing female fitting products. And we can offer services such as PPE fitting days upon request, which gives females the opportunity to try our ranges on. The foot scanning service is also a great add-on service that Rockfall can support customers with by providing wearers with semi-orthotics to support medical conditions such as plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, fatigue, or pains in areas such as knees, hips, or back.
Are there any plans to expand your product offerings or enter new markets in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. So Rockfall are excited to be introducing new female fitting styles into our range in 2024. This includes a boa fitting waterproof boot and high leg zip boot, which will also meet the new EN ISO 20345 2022 standards. We're also going to be extending the size range too, from sizes 2 to 9. So watch this space for more information coming out.
And how do you intend to continue supporting your female customers to meet their needs? Maybe by continuous feedback?
Absolutely, 100%. So whilst we have a great range at the moment, we're always developing prototypes and ideas which we believe can make a difference in the market. And I'm sure our team are working on styles as we speak. All feedback is welcome, and we'd be more than happy to discuss your customers' requirements directly to see how we develop our existing range in 2024 and beyond.
We'll be happy to do that. What role do you see technology playing in the future of female footwear, and what does it mean for Rockfall? And how, in your opinion, may it help fill the gender PPE gap?
So every new female style that we'll be introducing will feature a sustainable element to ensure female workers aren't missing out on this. Our metatarsal and boa lacing system styles ensure women aren't missing out on new technology, which will offer higher protection and better comfort properties. It's important that any new technology that's released is then available in both male and female fitting styles, which Rockfall ensures to do so.
And do you think one of the reasons why women still don't get the correct PPE is a lack of awareness and education in that topic?
Absolutely. I don't think customers are always aware of the different styles or the different ranges that are now available. They think they're very transfixed to what we call the unisex type products. But as my role is to support you and your customer by ensuring the female ranges are included in any core range of products.
Thank you, Andy, for your time today. That was really insightful. There's still a huge amount to achieve in the female PPE world, but we're moving forward thanks to companies like Rockfall. That brings our focus on footwear to a closure. Next up is workwear. Thank you very much for watching today.